Hello, Nomad Sculpt and how to import tools or brushes. Okay, we need the Files app. On the Files app, there's a download folder, and when you've downloaded a brush, it looks like this, a .json file. This is the brush itself or the settings for the brush, and in combination with an alpha. Some brushes don't need an extra alpha because they use the default alphas in Nomad. But when you create a brush with a alpha, you have to bring the alpha also to the import, to the export file, okay, in combination with it. And now you can select the JSON file, and the Nomad app is closed at the moment. And select the Scales test brush and move it on your iPad, and then go to the Nomad folder, and there's a Tools folder, and move it there. And select the alpha, move it, and bring it to the alphas folder. I have this alpha already in the tools settings or in the alphas. Okay, and now open Nomad Sculpt and see what happens. The last one is the Scales test brush, and it's here and it's fine. That's it. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.